Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're literally unlocking the ultimate student cheat code, mastering discipline.
You know that 2 a.m. cramming anxiety? Yeah, it's the worst. Let's totally flip the script.
Forget the old rules. Discipline isn't a straitjacket. It's actually your superpower for rock-solid self-control.
It's a personal promise you make to yourself, completely independent of whatever anyone else says.
Okay, so your very first power-up, mastering your time to finally escape that awful procrastination trap. Organizing your study hours literally kills procrastination. Say goodbye to all-nighters and hello to actual free time.
But here's the real boss fight, guys. Dodging those endless digital distractions to protect your focus.
You've got to choose. Will you surrender to doom scrolling or actually invest in your long-term academic success? Seriously, protect your study zone, banish the phone, and treat your desk like an impenetrable fortress. Defeating those distractions unlocks a massive reward. Get ready for a huge surge in self-confidence. Crushing goals fuels achievement, right? That makes you emotionally bulletproof when exam pressure really heats up.
So, how do we actually pull this off? Here is your step-by-step blueprint for unbreakable habits.
First, lock in clear goals in a daily routine. Then, slice massive projects into bite-sized steps. Block distractions and definitely reward your progress. Those tiny wins actually wire the habit into your brain. And this cheat code works everywhere. It transforms your social life, extracurriculars, and even your future career. The blueprint is all yours. Will you let distractions rule you or unlock your true potential?